That was the dumbest idea ever. No idea how to get out of this. Welcome to day 3 of my Iceland trip, and it's looking really good. The sun is actually out a bit, so let's get on our way. It is now, what time is it? Time 10:24, and yeah, I'm heading up north. The first stop of today will be at Dettifoss. It is the second most powerful waterfall in Europe, if I remember correctly. So yeah, let's get moving. Oh, that was a short stretch of asphalt. We're back on the dirt. Charged up at the camping this night, so I'm starting full. So far it's been no problem being allowed to charge at the campsites here in Iceland, so that's really good. I'll try to charge overnight when I can. Motorcyclist coming. I don't know if my dashboard shows on the videos or not, but in case you have noticed, my service light is on, and that's just because I passed 15,000 kilometers, but I did the service early, so the service is done actually. Guess I'll have to go by the shop and have them reset the light when I get home. If the weather forecasts haven't changed, it's going to be pretty okay today and tomorrow. And on what day is it today? Don't know. Saturday. Yeah, today and tomorrow. So on Monday, I'm fucked. There's some real shit coming. So I just have to keep attention and see what the forecast looks like. So I just stopped to check my navigation a bit, because yeah, there are two sides to see the waterfall. I can go this road, or I can take another road. Right, I've consulted Google, and I'm sticking to my original plan. Apparently it should be good. So, here we go. This road is pretty bad. As long as I keep my speed up, it's sort of okay most of the time, but it's really like major washboardy shit. It's shaking like crazy. And there's 20 kilometers more of this stuff. But apparently the views are better on this side, and the walk to the other waterfall is better on this side. Also, someone said, I understand why they put up a sign saying you may want to go the other way. This road is so bad. And so we're getting closer. 1 kilometer left. And yeah, I thought it was starting to rain, but I think it's just a spray from the waterfall that's hitting us all the way over here. Yeah, my navigation has shaken loose again, so I have to tighten it up a bit. But yeah, let's get to the waterfall. Just visited the two waterfalls, Dettifoss and Selfoss. Really nice. I think I liked Selfoss the most. It was more beautiful waterfall in my opinion. So now I'm continuing on this horrible road for another 20 kilometers or so, I think. I hope it gets better, but yeah, Doesn't look good so far. I mean, it's the same distance if I go back and pick another road, so might as well just go here. Starting to become a little bit foggy, I think. There's another waterfall just up the road that I may stop at as well. Third waterfall of the day completed, Foss, and yeah, it's pretty nice. I didn't find a path leading down, but there was a really good viewpoint from up above, so nice. So now I'll continue north, and I think this was the last waterfall for today. 24 kilometers until I'm on a different road, I think. Between the parkings the road wasn't that bad, so I'm hoping that the northern part is better than the one leading into Dettifoss. 8 kilometers to go to, I think we get an intersection onto another road. But yeah, this part of the road has been much nicer than the first half. No, apparently people on Iceland haven't learned to get the cars when they're done. The owner of the car that blocked the charger showed up after a little while, and yeah, so I charged up to 85%, and yeah, it worked fine. The bike didn't stop like it did on the Faroe Islands, so that's interesting. Guess we'll have to see next time if it still works okay. Heading further north. It's almost 4 o'clock, but I can keep going for a little while. We have only done about 100 kilometers today, but it took a while, and of course I spent quite some time by the waterfalls. But yeah, quite the scenery change from yesterday once again. So apparently it was possible to ride down to the beach there. That would have been interesting. Okay, so that was the dumbest idea ever. Now we're seriously stuck. We're just having to, yeah, really stuck. I just have to take my boxes off and see what I can do. Fuck. Okay, stay there. Okay. No idea how to get out of this. Yeah, I could feel it when I came down here, and then I thought, okay, I need to stop, and yeah, too late. Well, it could go back a little bit. Maybe I could wiggle it around, but it's like completely stuck. Oh, come on. Yes. It moved. Okay, Okay, just a little more now. Okay, you can do it, come on. Okay, other way. Okay. Okay, just it turned around. It's progress. Yes, yes. Ah, fuck yeah. We're out. Oh, okay. Not trying that again. Okay, we're ready to go back on the road. No riding on the black sand beach, that's for sure. I could of course take a walk, but there will be more of these. I've had it with black sand for today. So let's get back on the road. Oh man. But yeah, a nice little beach. Really cool, this black sand. But yeah, that was an experience, I say. Welcome to North Iceland. I'm almost at the top of the mainland, I think. Okay, so out there somewhere is the place that used to be the northernmost point of Iceland. I don't think I'm going to take my bike here. I'm going to smash the bottom on some of these rocks for sure. It's 4 kilometers to the tip. That was a little long to walk now late in the evening just to see the almost northern point of Iceland. So now the next point is the point that I have decided is actually the most northern spot. But at least we made it to the northernmost drivable point of Iceland. At least drivable in the sense that you can do it with a standard vehicle. Okay, so since I have to correct myself, so this place, I'm not going to try to pronounce the name, but actually this place is what used to be thought as the most northern point. And that other place, Rifstangi, which I stopped at earlier, but there was a bad road and pretty far. I think maybe that's what you see out there, maybe? I'm not sure. Yeah, but anyway, that is the actual northernmost point by 68 meters or something like that. Now I'm just aiming for a campsite that's about, yeah, what was it? That's, let's see here, let's find the other one. 10 kilometers away. Quite happy with the day. We only did, well, it will be around 190 kilometers, a little more than that in total today. but I also did a lot of walking. Yeah, a lot of the roads today has been gravel as well, but in worse condition than yesterday. Yeah, I think I'm getting more confident on the gravel, so that's a bonus from this trip. Right, so I made it to the tent. I'm now in Raufarhöfn, quite north in Iceland. I'll show you on the map where I went today. So today the plan was to head north. So I started around here in Madrudalur, and then I went up like this and up along the river here and visited a few waterfalls. And then I continued up north all the way around the top of Iceland, and then I stopped in a small town right here close to the top. Really nice day. So that was it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time. Bye.